H is for huckleberry, and avocado, and asparagus, and apple, and B for blueberry, and beans, and beet, and broccoli, and banana, and corn, and cherry, and cauliflower, and carrot, and cucumber, and celery, and cabbage. And D for date, and E for eggplant, and F is for pig, and H and G is for goose, and lemon, and here I for ending card. J is for Halloween. K is for kiwi.
Kiwi.
K is for kiwi.
Yay! And
L is for leek. M is for mango. Q is for robin and raspberry and radicchio
oh, radicchio.
and strawberry, and U is for ugly fruit. It's the ugly fruit.
Ugly fruit.
V for vegetable marrow. V for vegetable marrow.
Vegetable marrow.
X is for watermelon, and Y for yam, and Z for zucchini, and the best soup ever.
Yay!